Hi there, Renata, back with you again. Okay, so what these things are over here, they called Fondant Rollers, right? So they're used for pastries, but they're actually very good for just doing general self-massage. So if you have, for example, a sore neck, you can actually put they're different sizes. So you can use this one, but it's a little bit overkill because it's so big. But you basically just put it behind your neck like this, and you can lean back, and as you lean back, you pull forward, and you just do it all the way up to the top, right? Then what you can also do is just move it from side to side, and you'll hear that beautiful crunching sound behind there. But what's nice about this is that you can actually control it and do it as hard and as long as you would like. Okay, so obviously the smaller one is probably better to go, as I said, along like that, in especially at the back here where it's always very tight on us humans. Okay, so that's for that as an idea there. These ones are also quite like I know it sounds weird to hit yourself like self-flagellation, but you can always just tap on your traps like this. It's almost like just lovely to bring a bit of blood flow into that area, especially at the back here between your shoulder blades. That's very hard to reach, so you can do that. Okay, so all these handy things. I mean, you can go a little bit lower. You can literally just like bash over here onto those muscles, getting blood flow going. Okay, another great thing is another area is, for example, your thighs. So you put some cream down, or if you're just wearing a pair of slacks or something, you take the roller and you push really hard, but always go up towards the heart. So all massage is basically moving up like that and doing that as well. So again, if you find a sore spot, you can always just stop there and just work it. You can also rotate it like that. And again, as I said, just going higher and higher and higher and massage like that. You can also do behind the calf, just like pulling it like that hard. That's also a great way. Basically, you just make it up as you go. So there's something nice and cheap and easy and nasty to use for self-help. And yeah, I'm Renata. This is my YouTube channel. Share it if you thought it was interesting, and subscribe, and I shall see you soon with a new tip. Thanks, bye bye.